Alright, hello, welcome back to CyberCNC with another used Hitachi Seiki. This is a CNC lathe that we've recently redone here. It's a HT23SIII, it's the model. Seiki multi-control, that's their conversational control. As you can see here, the color screen is nice and bright. It's got a fresh set of membranes on it. All the buttons are there, everything's good. Manual pulse generator works good, the hand wheel, whatever you want to call it. RS-232 port on the side here, taking in and out your programs, your parameters, what have you. Machine is equipped with a parts catcher, that's air actuated, that's the only air requirement for the machine. It's a 10-inch chuck, 2 3/4-inch bar capacity. It's a 10-station KV quick change turret. That means the KV pockets, your tool holders, come in and out really easily. I will demonstrate that for you, and they can be configured in any orientation. Walk around the side here. You've got the chip conveyor. It's a Mayfran unit. Coolant pump. Got your tailstock motor there. Tailstock is electronically driven, fully programmable. It is pressure sensitive and then locks in hydraulically at that point. Walking around the back here, got the electrical cabinet open for you. The cabinet is basically, it's a Yasukawa control, Yasnik, whatever you want to call it. I-80L is the model. Everything's in good working order. Got the hydraulic power supply here. That is the hydraulic actuation for the spindle. Your chuck jaws, that is. Peek over the top. Encoder, spindle itself, Z-axis motor. Can't really see too much per se. It is pretty clean, as you can see. We went ahead and took all the covers off and checked out the ball screws, linear guides, everything's in good shape. Over here we've got the chuck pressures, open and close, air again, and your air solenoids for the parts catcher, way lube system. There's the pump anyways. And the parts catcher. There's that tailstock. I'll demonstrate the KV quick change turret. Basically, you can take any tool holder and stick it in any pocket. Just that simple. Go ahead and load up a few stations. So just that easily, I put in 3 different tools, and again, those 3 tools can be in any configuration. In this case, I loaded 1 OD tool, 1 boring adapter, and 1 face grooving tool, as you can see here. Really simple. And you go in and you can set that into on your tooling page, let it know what kind of tool you got there, set your offsets, really simple stuff. Makes life easy. Alright, got you on the tripod now. I'll bring you in for a little bit closer look, and we're going to run through some of the basic movements here, and then the spindle speeds from 100 all the way up to 3600, which is the maximum RPM. Run the tailstock forward and backwards, and actuate the parts catcher. That sums up all the basic movements here, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to start off by jogging the axes. Over travel. Zero return. One button. Put a memory here and start my little program. Starts off at 100 RPMs. Zoom in. Went to 200, 250 rather. Now 500. 1000. 1500. 2400 and 3600 RPMs. Third index, come on down in the X, third index. Run the tailstock forward, let's move you over here. See that working? And she runs back home right away. And then I've got the parts catcher is going to pop up here. There's the bucket. That can be adjusted how long it stays off. It's all programmed via M code. I just did a simple program here. Alright, real quick to show you some of the stuff that'll come with the machine. We got a set of 5 spindle liners here, various sizes. The machine has got 2 3/4 inch bar capacity standard, and we've got 5 additional sizes right here, and I probably have some more on a shelf somewhere. Here's our tooling package. We got these are our OD turning tools. So you put your stick tool in there. You can see we got the coolant balls or the coolant nozzle type. Boring adapters, and this is a face grooving tool. That's kind of the standard 10 tools right there. There's 10 positions on the turret, but if you need stuff, I've got other stuff. So here's a TG100 style. So that's your collet type holder. This is an ER32 collet type holder. I might have some ER40 here as well. Here's another boring adapter in 1.5 inch size, and this one's actually been bored out to 1 3/4 inches. Got a set of manuals here, a wiring diagram, programming diagram, instruction, and parts.